you have completed your check-in.
Fish. School bus and a cemetery. Across this river. Oh, I think I'll go there. Temperature is -1 now, and we are like 30 of August. It hit the spot. There's some blueberries. The never-ending mountain here. Wow, it's so beautiful here. That's crazy. Finally on the beach. Woo-hoo-hoo. That's cool. Alright, so that's the clinic. We got this beautiful view. Alright, let's see the sunset together. Do you see that building? So this is the clinic, and the building here is the nursing transit, where we stay during the contract we have here. If I want to go to the co-op grocery store, I have to walk here all the way to that building here. Also, I don't know if you guys can see these yellow truck here. These are the water and sewage truck. So there's no like water and sewage underground system, and this truck has to go to every house in the community, including the nursing, to give us water. So yeah, feel free to ask me some question about my job and how it's like to be working here in the Nunavik. You know what I find funny here in a lot of communities is that the nursing and social services are always close together. You see there's the big nursing clinic, and behind it here it's the social service. They have to work in that camper all day. Can you guys see these northern lights? That's cool. Really green. Pictures. Wow. That's cool. Amazing.
So I didn't really have the time to film much more than that. With the on-call shift I was very tired because I often had to go to the clinic at night. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.